Hello.
Hello.
This is Jack and this is Leo, my beautiful grandsons. And what are we going to be making today, Leo?
Gingerbread man cookies.
We're not making the men, just the cookies, aren't we?
Yeah.
Why are we making gingerbread cookies?
Because it's not Christmas Day.
It's not Christmas, but
we
we
can
love
still-
them.
Yeah, and we can make them whenever we want.
That's right.
Whenever we
Because
want.
we've got cookie dough and I wanted to make some cookies today with the kids.
Yeah.
So I looked in cookie dough and I just put in cookies and I went to filters and I did Australia, Canada, United States and United Kingdom. So I got a wide range of recipes. This one's in ounces, but that's fine, it doesn't matter. It's going to measure in ounces. You don't have to change anything. All right, let's start cooking, Leo.
Yeah.
Can you press the green button that says start cooking? Great. And it says imperial units activated temporarily. So that's fine. Where's the sugar, Jack? Can you pass Leo the sugar? How about you put this down and use two hands?
And I'll tip the thing in.
Okay. There we go.
And
You give it to Jack and he'll put it in the sink.
Okay.
Or near the sink, darling. Yep. Well done. Okay. Now, next, Leo.
I can pass this.
And we've got to put the measuring cup and the lid on because we're going to... Not yet, darling. Put that flour down. We don't need the flour yet.
And also,
Can you press next? No, leave them there.
next.
We'll tell you when we need them. Okay?
And
It's very important.
Is this right here?
Yeah, very important that we do it in order.
Yeah, we do.
All right, Leo, can you move this silver dial right up to here?
Okay.
And it's going to make a lot of noise because it's going to really make the sugar fine. It doesn't make a lot of noise. Right, Leo, next. Okay, let's have a look, Jack.
That's all good.
Look at that. All right, we have got powdered raw brown sugar.
Yes.
So we need to tear.
Test.
And could we have the butter, please, Jack?
This butter. This is butter.
And Mimi made this butter the other day. I had some cream that was going a bit stale, and I made butter. So it's unsalted.
Yes.
Just tear. Leo, do you want to pop that in?
Yep.
That's it. Hang on, we might need the scraper. You
Yeah.
hold the bowl towards me so I can see. That's it. Awesome. Give it to Jack to put at the edge of the sink, ready to wash.
And I could wash them all at them because I really know how to do it.
You do the dishes, that's really good.
I do it now.
Now can we have the... No, we won't do the dishes just yet, sweetheart, because we're cooking at the moment. We'll wait till we've got all the dishes.
Yeah.
This one's a bit tricky. All right, this is molasses, so this is very thick and gluggy, and this is adding to our sugar sweetness because there wasn't a lot of sugar.
And also, I can do this, and you can do that.
Okay, that
I
sounds
can do
good.
this, can't I? And
Right.
when I be there, I can do everything.
All the spices next.
We're
All right, can we pop our egg in, Leo? Where do we get our eggs from? Use two hands.
the junkyard.
From the chook yard. The chooks lay the eggs, don't they?
Yeah, you only buy one carton and then you put all the eggs and then you put them we cook with them.
That's right, we do.
This one and then we use the same egg carton every time.
We do. And we need to put the lid on.
But when some parts of it gets broken, then we buy another egg
That's
carton.
true. Can you move the silver button to there?
Yeah.
Keep going. That's it. So mix, 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 mix. Can't see it because the lid's on.
Yep.
Okay,
It
it's
looks like chocolate.
Does it? That's
Yeah.
that dark treacle.
It actually looks like ice magic.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Because we can make our own ice magic too.
You can make anything on cookie dough, can't
You pretty much can. That's for sure.
You can even make really cool cakes.
Yes. Yeah.
Even Easter cakes.
Okay, next, what have we got? Let's have a look. And it really does look like chocolate. I don't know if you can see that. Jack? Oh, not too many nexts, darling.
Oh, yeah.
Okay,
It's
just
good,
one.
Mimi.
Yeah, it is good.
Yeah.
Now it wants us to scrape down. So I'll pop it back in and we'll scrape it down.
It looks like chocolate ice cream.
It does.
Yeah, when you need this, it's here.
Okay, thanks, darling.
You need it now?
Not quite, nearly. All right, now we need to put the lid back on again, and next. It wants us to do it again, but I think it's right. I don't think we need to. Let's pop our flour in, Jack.
This.
The spices are last. We need the flour first.
And also, I can hold this.
You hold the spices.
Yeah.
Well done, Leo. All of it out?
And also, I put it in the dish.
Not yet. We don't need the spices yet. Now, I've already put the baking powder and the bicarb in with the flour, so that's fine. We're up to our spices, Jack. Our spices, please.
Yeah, there you go.
Now they're all together. It's a tablespoon of ground ginger, some cinnamon, ground cloves.
Smell it. It smells lovely.
Oh, gorgeous. And nutmeg.
It smells like those bath bombs that you made a while ago.
Oh, does it?
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks, Jack. Good boy. We'll do the dishes soon.
Yeah, we are.
Would you like to move the silver button right around to 7? All the way to 7. Not yet, darling. Not yet. No, later. Oh, right. That was quick, wasn't
Yeah,
it?
really quick.
Let's have a look.
Oh, it's really good. It
Later,
looks like
Jack.
all the ginger.
We're cooking right now, sweetheart. Right. Hello, here's Mum and Dad. We're just doing a cooking video. We're making gingerbread. Yeah, can we do that later, Jack? Thanks. There it is. There's our dough. Okay, and it's going to tell us to do it again, to knead again, and then we'll pop it in the fridge and we'll roll it out and make our cookies. Okay, time to go. Thank you for helping. Was that fun?
Yeah.
It's going to be fun eating them too.